I don't know how this is gonna go, but I think I'm gonna try my first video. I got some spare wheels to put on my GTI. They're pretty ugly, but I got some thicker tires because the tires I have on now are super small. These 225 45 17s, and currently I have two 215 35 18s, and there's some junk tires. So they have a lot of road noise, so I figured I'd throw these on, see if it rides better, because it also rides horrible. See if it sounds better also. So they are Rotiform 6s. They're 18 by 8.5. They fit the car perfect, but I'm just gonna see how it feels. It's all the way low on some junky Raceland coilovers also, so that doesn't help the ride either. It'd be nice to have a lift. Alright. I was prepared. It wasn't very tight. Stupid thing.
What if I'm in the back like
Yeah, please don't.
trying?
Camberware is not crazy. I'm surprised because it sounds horrible.
Let's see it.
There's that side, the passenger side.
Let's see
Driver's side wasn't as bad as this. These wheels are freaking perfect for the car. They fit perfect. I like camber setup perfect so far. So it's gonna look really bad with the stocks. Oh, I forgot to mention, the wheels are off of a Mark V Rabbit. That's like, it should look okay, Volkswagen wheels. But they are 17 by 7, I think, yeah. Quite the size difference. I got these like probably 6 months ago when I was actually planning on making this like a track car, having these like a spare set of wheels. But I painted them. I got them for free actually. This guy just gave them to me. They were ugly, all scratched up. Obviously, not the best paint job. I was gonna use these as the track wheels. Never did it. They just sat in my garage. I painted them red. They looked horrible. So I did it again. Doesn't look great still, but pink looks cool. I already have it on the other side, so I know how it looks. Missing a lug nut. Paint job is not the best. I got a little, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but I put like this AutoZone sparkle. I don't really see it. I think it was a waste of money, but here's the size difference in tires for you. Yeah, it's bad, but here's the size difference in tires. These are rubber bands. These are freaking huge, so it shouldn't have nearly as much road noise as these. I looked up the ratings. These are, I don't even know the name, Westlakes. I saw like a 4 out of 10 for road noise, and whatever this brand is, Riken, they got like an 8 out of 10. Should be better. That's all I really care for right now. Oops. The wear on the tires isn't really that bad. For, I think they were like $250 for the set. The initial reason I got these wheels, I was going on a trip to Tennessee. I was gonna do a road trip there, but I guess now we're gonna fly. So kind of have these sitting around, so I figured I'd just throw them on. I hate how my voice sounds on like technology.
Yeah, I sound like a little girl. Always.
I sound like a freaking toad.
So in case you guys are wondering, never mind. So in case you guys are wondering who is recording, it's me.
My girlfriend.
Yeah, it's Sophie. I just don't want to show my face because I'm wearing my work outfit and I look pretty crusty right now. This one, I think, has more sparkles than the other one. I don't know if you can see it.
I'm gonna drop it. Wow, that was fast. You can see it's kind of low, but it was lower when I had the smaller tires. Still looks good. Now we gotta go drive it and see how it feels. The color, not bad on the white. Oh, back here though, I had the camber set up for the rotiforms. Now it looks pretty stupid, but it should ride better. I'm gonna try it out. Get in.
Okay.
See if you guys can even hear me talking. Not that loud. Don't forget to show them the Corrado when we drive by for possible future videos.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be in future videos. The Corrado.
Not even rubbing.
Safety first.
It's a little loud.
Oh, it's always loud.
It's 1:30 in the morning and we're doing this.
Hell yeah, it is.
Watch them. Neighbors love me. They feel really good, but not nearly as loud as the other set. Should we go fast?
Yeah.
Over by the school. Maybe one video, if we keep doing it, we'll do a little in-depth on the GTI. Ricer pops. It's okay. Oh, usually I rub here. Let's see. Nothing. All I got to see was the check engine light.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Nothing special.
Oh god, please don't do it again. That was scary.
Nah.
I hope you guys can hear me. I bought Brady this shift knob on his birthday. It's from Black Forest Industries. I got it from Euro Tuning. And this video is not sponsored.
Should be, but
Yeah, it should be. Maybe in the future.
yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's straight coming in the driveway. Oh, nothing. Door. Not bad. This is how it looks. Wait, where'd the flash go? Oh, it's still on. Not bad, not bad.
I just want to say, I'm sorry if, no. I'm sorry if, how do you say it?
The video is not in landscape?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
the video, I was recording, like, you know, the phone upright, and, oh god. It's just, like, doesn't look right on YouTube, I think.
It's gonna be in portrait sometimes.
This is our first video.
Yeah.
We're getting the hang of it.
The only issue I have is how it looks in the rear fender, but I can adjust that. I don't feel like it tonight. It's too late. Matches the sticker. There's two more cars that could possibly be, well, that one could possibly be in other videos. The Corrado, for sure, will be in other videos. Got a lot of parts to put on and a lot of parts coming. Got a story for it too.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, pretty cool. VR6, no G60 around here. Nobody even knows what that means though.
But we can't show you too much because it's for another video.
Yeah, the video wasn't for this.
We have more content coming.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Why?
Yeah. But yeah, that's it. That's all for tonight. So, thank you for watching the first video. If you thought it was interesting at all, consider watching the next videos that we make. And like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, making more soon with cool Euro cars and maybe FRS. My friends have cool cars too. They might come over.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, that's about it for tonight. It's too late. It's almost 2 in the morning. So
Yeah, that's pretty much it. Maybe let us know in the comments what you want to see next. You know, we're starting out, so just leave some suggestions. yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.